family. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I greet you all. Thanks for stopping by, passing by. So today got me like this. I'm in the kitchen, okay, trying to fix up something. So guys, today we'll be making OGBONNO. That's what we'll be making today, and I want you guys to come along with me. Let's cook together, okay? Cook with OLY. This is Oluchi Ezayao's channel. OLY for short, like I always say, OLY for short. So today is all about cook with OLY. So let's dive right in, okay? Come along. So I'll be showing you all the items, what I have here with me. This is our vegetable, okay, ugu leaf, and our meat. I know you won't be able to see. Yeah, that's my baby. A fresh bell pepper, and I'll still show you guys more. So let's dive right in. So I forgot to ground the OGBONNO. Yeah, I forgot to ground it at the market, but guess what? I have my mortar and pestle. So I'll pound it here in my kitchen. Let's do this. So guys, these are our food stuff. So guys, you can see these are our ugu leaves. These are goat's meat. Our OGBONNO over there. Red bell pepper. Our dry fish. Stockfish. That's crayfish, maggi, onion, and that's, what is that? That is okpeye, abi? Ogiri okpeye. So yeah, yes, we have to start with the preparation. This is our OGBONNO. You have to pound it. So guys, let me bring out my, what do they call it? Ikwe in the Igbo language, they call it ikwe. My mortar and pestle, okay? Yeah. Let's do this. Ah, so heavy. Oh my god. This is it, guys. Oh my god. And this, let's drop it here. And oh my god. So guys, here, after we finish washing our meat thoroughly, we're putting in the pot with our stockfish and also spicing it, putting our maggi here and also our onions. Yes, and yeah, getting everything ready. Yes, so our stock is boiling, and yeah, we're pounding our OGBONNO. And yes, that's our OGBONNO, thoroughly grounded. And yes, we're putting in our fresh pepper, which has been pounded, putting it in so it's boiled thoroughly. And yeah, that's our meat and fish stock. We'll bring it out, and yes, after we finish frying our OGBONNO, we add the meat stock here so it will all boil together, and we stir. Okay, allow it to boil for some minutes, and yeah, voila, we add our vegetable. Our soup is boiling, it's cooking. The soup is souping. Yes, then we stir to mix properly. Yeah, we wash our mortar and pestle thoroughly to keep for use the next time we cook. That's right. And then we clean up the mess we've made. Make sure we clean the kitchen thoroughly. Yeah, you have to keep your kitchen clean. So guys, we are rounding up, but we have to clean the kitchen. So guys, we finished making our gari. So time to eat because I'm famished.